Hey Benny, can you confirm that you want me to rip this off? Yes, please? Okay. What we're gonna do now is swap that, there we go, that thing, handbrake handle, because that silver thing looks crap. And then we're gonna go over here and we're gonna attempt at least a valve cover gasket. And we decided to start with the interior because, well, we just drove this so that's nice, warm and toasty, and yeah, let's just go with interior first. So, gonna go here, and apparently it's a very, very difficult job to get the center console out, as in 3 screws, I think. So let's have a look at that. Oh, okay. Have a look at this. We noticed this trim piece came off on the back, and it looks like it was attempted to be glued in multiple times over with, like, yeah, all kinds of glue. Like, there's some hot snot, it looks like here, some clear hot snot, this beige stuff, the brown stuff. The brown stuff looks kind of original. Yeah, broken off studs here, and here. This trim piece is coming off. Oh, that's the backside of this. Oh, that's like, it looks like it's like used to be one piece prefabricated, because this is all like molten plastic, just heat staked in. So this is not intended to be replaceable, apparently. Anyway, center console. Okay, that's not. How is it attached?
Es war einfach nur geklebt, oder draufgesteckt, dann musst du diese Rillen mehr haben.
Yeah. Unpimping the auto. Hey Benny, can you confirm that you want me to rip this off? Yes, please? Okay, hold on. So, not just this. Oh, I think I see an in. Okay, that might be easier than expected. Not enough hands. Come on, let's do, yeah. Let's use a camera finger. Ah, the fabric is stuck in the glue there. There we go. Well, that did hold up a bit better, I guess, but obviously not long enough, because this was also already fixed badly. Yeah, and the other fabric is coming off, which is what Benny wants to fix. Ah, look at that. 20-year-old foam, no longer foamy, just disintegrating into dust. Lovely. And yeah, this is also coming off here, because heat staked thingies. Quality. I guess that's what you get for an economy car 20 years ago. Benny's already prepping the inlays, just scraping off 20 years of attempted fixes, and no longer foamy foam, and just creating a smooth surface without making a mess at home. So yeah, we'll see how that comes out in the end. We're gonna get some proper adhesive to stick things like that together, and then it may or may not be better than before. And at the request of Beni, more unpimping, he does not like this mismatched aftermarket short antenna here, so it is being forcefully removed and replaced with a stock antenna. More unpimping. Valve cover gasket. Almost. Almost. Just all the things in the way.
Yeah.
Well, this also. Remember, don't forget that one. Remember that sensor doodad.
Try and get it out a little bit.
I'm not sure if a little bit is an option here. Yeah, we'll see. We might need more hands. Okay, we just disconnected the last sensor, and we already see cams and oil. All the oil that's in the way. All that's in places where it's not supposed to be. There we go. Thank God for captive screws, by the way. And yeah.
The gasket is more or less flush, right?
Yeah, and the gasket is just like, it's like dead. Oh yeah, look at this. It's just there's no gasket effect on that now. Okay.
Good.
Let's fix that.
But the cams look
Yeah, cams look okay, huh?
right.
Oily.
Yeah, I mean good, right? That's what you want.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
rather oily than not. Otherwise would be bad. Here you have a before and after. That's the old versus the new gasket, and I mean you can see it's just like there's like 2 millimeters difference or something in height at least. So yeah, we're gonna put the new one in after a little bit of a cleaning, and then that should be fine and no longer leaking. New gasket for reference. I mean, you see there's actually a gasket in there, you know, and that's like not like still sticking out or something. This is like insulation height. So yeah, that's a gasket, not this excuse for one over here. That's just junk at this point. If it's still leaking, well, I'd say not my problem, but I think if that's the case, it's gonna be the power steering pump if it's still leaking. But this was pretty obvious.
Definitely
I
coming
mean,
from above. It's
yeah.
affecting both sides and the middle, so it's gonna make a difference.
Yeah.
I guess.
Should make a big difference. Less of a mess. It's all back together. We just checked oil. It's in like lower third, so we're gonna probably go and top it off. We need some oil, so we're gonna go and buy that, which is fine because we also need to buy some like glue kind of thing for the door panel, because Beni might want to attack that this evening or something. Just glue it all back together. We'll see. But for now, valve cover done. Okay, as you can see, doors closing, wrapping up for the day. The panels are going to be done tomorrow. We prepped them, but that's going to be it. We're going to just get the glue and then prep it and glue it tomorrow. But for today, that's it. And tomorrow we're going to continue with that. No more fart can tomorrow, hopefully. So, final before video of the fart can. Give it some revs. Yeah. Say goodbye to the fart can. Okay, it's up on the lift, and we realized yesterday actually this might still be the factory exhaust because it is one piece from all the way up front here. Catalytic converter, the mid resonator, and fart can. Well, the original Ford can with a fart can welded onto it, booger welded onto it. I mean, looks amazing. Looks of high quality. But yeah, we're gonna make a cut right there. That's where this piece should come in and fit just on there. And then we got a shiny new piece of thing that can rust. And it's hopefully not gonna fart anymore. But yeah, we'll get to that. Have a look at this. They took. Can we focus on that? Can focus on the focus. Yeah. They attached the wiring of the trailer hitch with a zip tie to the exhaust hanger. Where is it? In there somewhere. Come on. Go in there. Can I zoom in there? There we go. Yeah. See, they put a zip tie on the exhaust hanger for the wiring of the trailer hitch. Great. Good thing we didn't rip that out. Would have been fun. Anyway, let's take this piece of junk off. Let's see how bad it fits. Might have to deburr this. Well, yeah, that was easy enough. It's not exactly center, I guess. I tried to work a bit with the rubbers, but how much do you care?
10%. That will work it out.
Maybe new hangers will fix it, but
Yeah, if I put it much more to the right, because
yeah, I already did that one, the inner one there, but it's good enough.
it doesn't look too bad, right?
It's gonna move around when driving anyway.
It looks 10,000% better than before.
But yeah. Okay, so let's bring it down and make a sound check.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sound check. New exhaust. Okay, kind of sounds the same. I want to almost say it sounds sportier.
Yeah, it's a little side effect.
Okay, everything's done on the Focus except for the interior panels. Beni decided not to do these today. It's just tedious and gluing things together, so it's just, yeah, no. That will be done at a later day. But for now, it's unpimped. Officially unpimped. This is a 2001 Focus, you fuck.